From the minute they came in, everyone was friendly and very, very polite. They did their work. There was no hassling. I wasn't asking 20 questions about my concern of how are you packing this for my precious things. Everything was done. They created my very expensive paintings, every single one in a separate box. I have probably 30 chandeliers in this house. Every single one was created separately. Everything's been done with care. They were fast. Everything was nice and new. The tape was good. All the movers knew exactly what to do. Everything was in its place. They knew about the dishes. They did the furniture first with wrapping each piece of furniture. They took my fine dishes, my fine china, wrapped them up. Antique pieces that I have are done very, very carefully. I mean, I've never seen people that worked with such energy without stopping and hanging around. And with all the things that I have on the walls, and it's very important to me that it's done with care and everybody's working together. Absolutely, I would recommend this company. I have a girl that's moving from here also to Utah, and this would be I wouldn't say don't use anyone else. Did a very, very good job, explained everything. Every single question I asked him, he had the right answer, you know, that made me feel comfortable.